thing is so pretty. I love this little tool.
Le ciel bleu vole en silence.
Hi, I'm Netta Manley. Welcome to my channel. I help women achieve ageless style confidence so that they can live out their calling in life. I passionately believe that every woman deserves to look and feel her best every single day. I believe that's how God intended us to feel about ourselves, and I'm here to inspire and encourage and offer some resources that I hope will help you look and feel your best every single day. So I have been in the fashion industry for over 25 years. I've been a stylist for almost 15 years. I've overhauled thousands of closets. But before I started focusing on fashion, my obsession and my passion was beauty. I started as a beauty editor, and I feel like I am a human beauty guinea pig sometimes because I love testing products, testing tools and gadgets, and letting you know what I think of the results. So that's what I'm going to do here. Going to go back to my very first passion in life, beauty, and talk about 5 game-changing skincare tools that you can add to your routine as needed that can really, really deliver huge results. So for those of us who are staying at home during this season that we're in, today's April 1st, we are not out and about getting skincare treatments professionally at a dermatologist's office or getting professional facials. And so to tide you over and just as tools that you can continue to use in your skincare routine and to support your skincare at home, these are highly recommended. There is nothing that you can do occasionally to your skin in terms of a facial or a skin treatment that is going to make up for neglecting your skin at home. So having a really solid and effective skincare routine is the number one thing I would recommend when it comes to seeing real changes and dramatic differences in your skin. These tools can also really support that process. So I can't wait to show them to you. These are straight out of my bathroom. These are things that I use every day and highly recommend. So the first is the most low-tech of all. This is called a Kojak Sponge. I'm going to link it below, but it's an exfoliating sponge. It starts out kind of hard, and then you wet it and it softens. And what's really, really good is it's great at removing makeup. It's antimicrobial. It doesn't hold on to stuff. You can throw it in the wash. I put it in a mesh bag and throw it in the laundry. And it just is really, really a good, gentle exfoliator and helps with the exfoliation and makeup removal process. I just really enjoy using this, and I will replace my washcloth with it like every other night and just use it to smooth the surface of my skin. So that's a Kojak sponge. Okay, second thing is so pretty. I love this little tool. This is from Foreo, Foreo. I believe it's a Swedish company. Again, I will link these below. This is the Foreo Mini. It's the travel size version. And it has 2 different sets of nodules. One is for cleaning and one is for anti-aging. And so there's a finer set of little silicone, tiny little, I don't know, just not bristles exactly, but you can see the tiny little dots on this. And then the other side is a little bit more textured. And either side is so comfortable to use. It's such a pleasant experience to use this. You charge it in your computer using a USB cord. You only have to charge it every 3 or 4 months. You can keep it in the shower. It's waterproof, and it's just a great way to work your cleanser into your skin and to ensure that you get a thorough cleansing process. I love the experience of using it. I feel like when I use it regularly, I really notice a difference in my skin. My skin stays clearer, smoother, brighter. You can really feel it working the cleanser into your skin and just really getting a good deep clean. And it's gentle enough to use every single day. So I absolutely love it. This is the Foreo Mini. There's also one that I think now it attaches to an app and gives you information about your skin that way. So they're constantly upgrading these. This was the first model that came out, and I love it. It's still going strong. So, getting a little bit more low-tech again. This is a Jade Roller. This is probably the least results oriented item on this list. It really is more for the ritualistic aspect of facial massage. We could all use some relaxing these days. We could all use the experience of caring for ourselves and pampering ourselves, especially when times are stressful. And I strongly believe that this is something that you can use to just make the experience of caring for your skin more of a ritual, more of a treat, and more of a pampering session. So what this does really help with is a little bit of puffiness and maybe some drainage in your skin. So if you're puffy around the eyes, puffy in the cheek area, puffy when you first wake up, I know I am a little bit, this is great for that. It's also great for working serums into your skin. Always use it on a clean skin, because you don't want to be making your makeup and the dirt on your skin go into your pores more deeply. So what I like to do is I like to cleanse, I like to apply my skincare, and then I like to use this afterwards to really work the good skincare ingredients into my skin. And I use it under my eyes, I use it here, and it just feels so soothing and relaxing, and you really feel like it's helping the serums and the creams that you've applied to your skin penetrate better and be more effective. And it's really inexpensive and fun to use. So that's a Jade Roller. You can get those on Amazon. You can get them anywhere. All of these items are available to your doorstep if you're not going out these days looking for skincare tools. So the next thing is one that I'm super excited about. It's from Rodan & Fields. It's the Pore Cleansing MD. And this is the coolest thing. When I first heard about this, I didn't know how it was going to work. I was like, that has to be like pretty well designed to actually deliver what it delivers. But it comes in a box like this, so you can see what it looks like. You get this pore prep solution. And so you apply the pore prep solution to your skin before you use the Pore Cleanser, and then it's just this tool, and it's got such a strong suction. It's pretty incredible. So when you hold this up to your skin, it will actually clean out your pores, and it's really a strong suction. So there are instructions that you get on how to use this because it works so well. It's really effective. Great for any teens that you have in your house also, but we could all use pore suctioning. So you apply it like that, and it sucks in. I mean, it's pretty intense, and it sucks in your skin a little bit. It clears out the pore. It's pretty dramatic. What I'm missing from this is there's a little head that is removable. You can put it on, use it on one person, dispose of the head, and then it's sanitary for the next person. So the whole family can use the same device because these little heads are completely disposable. And when you use it, I will try to find a picture to share below this. When you use it, the stuff that comes out of your skin is pretty scary. So again, you can use it on your husband, your teenagers can use it, everyone can use it. It comes with a blackhead removing tip, and it comes with a pore cleaning tip. And when you add the tip to the top of this device, the suction is pretty intense, and it really does clear everything out of your pores, prevents future breakouts, can remove the blackheads that are existing. It's great for back acne. It's great for any clogged pores anywhere on your face or body. The only place that I think they recommend not using it on really delicate parts of your body, maybe like your neck. But highly recommend the Pore Cleansing MD from Rodan & Fields. Okay, the final tool, one I use every single night that has so dramatically changed my skin. Let me tell you a really quick story of how I discovered microneedling. I was invited by a local dermatologist, Dr. Park's office, to come in and try microneedling when it was brand new. It was such a dramatic transformation in my skin that they actually used this part of my face in their advertising. It was night and day. All of a sudden, my skin looked brighter, it looked firmer, it looked fresher, the wrinkles were reduced, the brown spots were diminished. It was a dramatic difference. And so one of the things I want to encourage you to do is, before you start anything new, before you invest in any new tools for your skin, is to take a really good before picture. Because if you don't really know where you're starting, you're going to forget by the time the after comes in, and you're going to underestimate or overestimate the results that you got from your new treatments or new plans. So they took a before picture of me, and when you looked at the before and the after, the difference was dramatic. And I was so in love with microneedling. I still am. And microneedling that's done in a doctor's office usually starts So let me explain to you, first of all, show you the tool for microneedling before I get into this, because I can go on and on. But this is the tool. This is the AMP MD roller from Rodan and Fields. Comes in this case like this with a lid. It's important to keep it in the case so that it doesn't fall and the little needles don't get damaged. Also, this lid, when you turn it upside down and you put a little tablet in it that dissolves, that's how you clean it. You add warm water and a tablet and you clean it easily that way. But I just keep it like this on my bathroom counter. And this has a 0.2 milliliter needle. As you can see, it is pretty. Let me make sure you can see that. The needles are pretty, they're very, very fine, and they're very short. They're 0.2 millimeters. So with a needle that's this length, what you're going to notice is a dramatic improvement in the way that your skincare products work. So the investment that you're making in buying quality skincare, you're going to be really seeing more benefits and more results from that skincare by using a 0.2 millimeter derma roller like the AMP MD. Just absolutely love this tool. It's really, really well made. It's easy to take care of. It's easy to clean. And basically what you're going to do with a derma roller is you're going to roll it this way and roll it this way and roll it this way. It takes a minute every night. I do it on my face, neck, and chest. And while I watch something for a minute on TV, and it's an essential part of my skincare routine. It has made a dramatic difference in my skin. So the ones that you would be using at a dermatologist's office, the needles usually are 0.5 millimeters and up, and those are really best used by a professional, because that's when you're going to start to see a little bit of bleeding. What microneedling does is it very gently, and especially in the case of a shorter needle like this, it very gently injures the surface of the skin so that your skin realizes that there's a minor injury there. It boosts the collagen in that area. It plumps up and repairs your skin. And it really does an amazing job. But when you get above 0.5 millimeters, you're going to start seeing little dots of blood. You're going to have a little bit of downtime. It's a treatment that really needs to be approached with caution and is probably best left to a professional. I may or may not experiment with one of these treatments at home because I love it so much, and if so, and if I can figure out how to illustrate it to you safely, I will do so. There are a lot of videos on derma rolling if you're interested in hearing more about it, but this is definitely the way to go when you want to get some of the benefits of microneedling and you want to do it from the comfort and safety of your own home and really, really amp up the results that you're getting from your skincare. So I hope that was helpful. I know we covered a lot. Those are the 5 tools that I use almost every single day for the ones that are daily use ones, or in the case of the Pore Cleansing MD, whenever I need it. But those are tools that I have personally used and loved, that my family uses, that my friends have used, that I've recommended to people, and that have really helped women achieve great results with their skin. Like I said, beauty was my first passion before fashion, and so I will definitely be doing more videos on skincare. And during this period of time where we are all staying at home, I'm going to be talking about ways to duplicate some of the treatments and some of the luxuries that we had at salons at home, and to really kind of fully support our beauty and to look and feel our best while we're here. So I hope that was helpful. I would love to hear what your favorite skincare tools are, skincare products, gadgets. I'd love to hear any questions that you may have. And most of all, I would be so honored if you would subscribe. Hit the little notification bell that's next to the subscription button, because that's how you'll find out when I post videos. I'll be posting every Tuesday and every Friday. And also, don't forget to give me a thumbs up and share your thoughts in the comments below. Love to hear from you. I'm here for encouragement, inspiration, any other questions that you may have. So please leave them in the comments below and I will answer every single one. Thank you so much.